In this video, I'll show you how to customize the home screen icons of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and also Air. First thing you need to do is to find an empty space on your lock screen where there's no apps. So I'll go over here and simply keep press on that empty space until the icons start shaking. Then you're going to go on the top left corner and select Edit, Customize. And now down below you see these options appeared. So you have default, that's how every iPhone comes, but you also have dark. It will make all the icons darker. Clear, this will give you this kind of a look of those icons if you prefer that. And tinted, if you select tinted, you can select which tint these icons will have. So you can choose the color and play with the transparency as well. And on top of the tint, you can also select dark and select a darker tint if you prefer that, or automatic, which will mean that the tint will change depending on the time of the day. So once you have decided this, and finally the last thing I want to talk about is this button over here. You see each icons by default have the name of the apps down below. If you want to remove the name and make the icon bigger, click on this, and here you go. They're now much bigger. So it's up to you to decide what you prefer. You also have this button over here that it adds more contrast, I think. That's what it is. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.